Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hawa. For those of you that are new here, so I'm getting new chickens. So excited! So we're getting new batch of chickens uh, next month, actually, not long from now. So I'm in the process of planning or preparing for them. I should have done this part of the work a long time ago, but I did not. That's my fault. So now I feel like I'm under pressure, especially because I haven't been on the farm for like the past 3 weeks. So I lost my brother 2 weeks ago or 2.5 weeks ago, and so I was in Conakry for that time period, and so I haven't really been on the farm. If I take you outside, it is absolutely bushy. Like there's so much grass everywhere. So I need to start doing some cutting and hire some people to come and cut some grass for me. I have buildings to prepare. I have wood shavings to bring on the farm. So there's a whole lot that's going to be happening in the next few weeks or couple of weeks in preparation for those birds. I need to have this place ready within the next 2 weeks so that I have at least a week off on preparation and just waiting, or not just waiting for the birds to arrive, or giving myself some resting period, because once they arrive, there's no resting. So this is what I'm doing today. So I'm just doing some cleaning. I've just started sweeping already. So as you can see, just cleaning this side, sweeping it up. And then I'm going to take off all these drinkers, take them outside and feed it, take it outside, give it a wash. And yeah, so hopefully I can get this room done today. My goal is to get all 4 rooms that are left done within the next 4 days or earlier. I want to do this room and that room today if possible. So I'm going to do this room this morning, and hopefully in the afternoon I can do this room. I've also hired a few people to come and help out with the process. So hopefully all goes well. I will keep you guys in the loop for the next scene of this video. So I'm just going to take all these, wash the ones that need to be washed. We've got our plates already. They are already clean. They came out of a bag that I think it's biodegradable. So it already got rotten almost. So it was like falling apart. So I just took them out. They're clean. So just rinse them before the birds arrive. I've got my drinkers in those bags. And yeah, so those ones are ready for the batch that is coming. So I'm really excited. Stay tuned. I'm really excited because the guys that it actually was I wasn't going to be able to get these birds in from Holland. They're coming in from Holland actually, and I was not going to be able to get them because I'm not ordering the full amount that they need. So their minimum quantity is like 10,000 birds. So for you to get birds with that company, you need to order 10,000, and with most hatcheries in Holland, you need 10,000 as their minimum order. So I wasn't going to be able to get that. So I opened the order out to other farmers in Liberia that joined on, and we ordered together. So I'm really excited, and I'm grateful that they could trust me enough to order with me so we can get the birds in. So I'm really excited about that. Yeah, so let's get the preparation going. I'll keep you up to date. I'll video again when I get to the next room, or when I'm almost done in here. I'll show you what happens next. If I tell you that today is like a busy day, it really is a busy day. So now I've just finished sweeping that room, and I'm going to do some count. So we're releasing our birds, our old birds, the ones that are very old. So we're releasing them. They're going to be doing indoor, outdoor kind of activity with them. So we're going to send them out. But before we do that, we're going to count them to make sure that it aligns with what on my books. So that's what I'm about to go and do now. Just to go and monitor the process of counting the birds, and then we'll release them, let them out for the day. So we've got a lot of grass, and they've been eating a lot of the grass actually. I'll show you. See, do you see what I mean? What I was talking about? It's really bushy. So I really need to find workers to come and help me brush this place because I hate looking at this place like this. I actually do. I don't like it being bushy. Yeah. So the ladies, they're like really ready to go out. Can you see how old they are? Look at how old this one is. So they're very, very old. They already escaped. So the chickens actually, I don't even know how they did it, but for somehow they escaped. So we need to get them back in. 95. 96. 97. 98.
क्या रही बगैर वाले
99. 100. That's our first two. Hold on, guys. So after breakfast, I am heading. Let's go see the garden. Actually, I'm told that we've got some growth happening. So let's go see that, and then I'll go and continue with the building. It's a really busy day today. So I don't only have that to do today. We're also cleaning the oyster shells. That's a whole other process. That's like a huge process actually. They clean the oyster shells. Requires a lot of work. But we usually will get what do you call it? We usually will get seashells from Guinea. But we'll have so much oyster shells in Liberia, and I'm really trying to see if I can incorporate that into our feed instead of using the seashells. Because getting the transportation of it from Guinea, getting the seashells from Guinea is like really expensive. Look guys, the pepper is growing. Is this how it's supposed to be? Is it supposed to be leaning or is it supposed to be straight? I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like. You need to start weeding so we don't get weeds overpowering this. All right. Because if you do it when it's small, it won't get plenty, will it? Isn't that right? Over here, that's the watermelon. Look, the watermelon is growing. It's so exciting. I absolutely love watermelon. So I'm really excited about this. You're gonna see me having so much watermelon. I have a lot to do today, so I'm not going to come and start weeding. I'll do the weeding later or another day. Today I have to focus on my goals. I need to finish those 2 rooms today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to wash that room that you previously saw. I'm gonna go into the next one because the one that you just saw that I was sweeping, that one is close to the current layers, and me being in there is going to disturb their laying for the day. So I'm gonna go into the next one so I'm not too close to them, and that way they can still lay their normal laying. All right, I'm getting sidetracked. I don't want to get sidetracked. I just came to show you guys the garden. I can't see all the watermelons. Okay, these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows has them. Some of them has not germinated yet, but most of it has germinated. Most of it has actually germinated. Oh, the middle here is really getting a lot of weeds. think I'll take the weeds out here. I think that's weed. That's not pepper, is it? No, that's weed. Let's take it out. Imagine if I pull out the watermelon. So now I've got dirty hands. I'm really excited. I really hope it turns out well and we get beautiful produce. Yeah, that would really make me feel so excited. I want carrot seeds. I love carrots, especially baby carrots. So if you're coming in December, send me some carrot seeds, okay? And sweet corn. I want to grow some sweet corn just to eat. I miss sweet corn. I miss carrot. I miss strawberries. So if you're coming in from the US, they sell strawberries with like the vines, but they're ready to be transplanted. They sell those in the US. If someone could send me those, I'll be so grateful. I don't mind paying. I really want to grow strawberries because I miss eating strawberries. That's like my go-to fruit. So yeah. Though I've got like a lot of pawpaw here, it would be nice to have some of the things that I'm used to. These are eggs. But there's like a lot of eggs in the market. And so our eggs are taking a bit longer than what they usually do to sell. There's a lot of imported eggs in the market. A lot of it, actually. I came to get my charger because I'm going to be working and I want to be charging the phone whilst I'm working. Let me see if it's here. Yeah, it's here. With this second room. Look at it. Well, not done yet, but I mean like the first phase of it, which is sweeping. Now I'm going to dismantle all of these and take them out. I probably won't take this part out because the pipe is actually not working, and I'm scared if I take it out, it's gonna be leaking water out. Because have a look here. I have to change this whole building. Look at what happened. So I have to redo this particular area. It needs to be redone. It goes all the way. I've fallen quite a few times. This was me falling in it. That's what caused that. And then there's also here. The plumbing work needs to be redone in here. So there's quite a few work that needs to be done in this room, this particular room. And it does not look like I'm going to be ready with it for brooding. So I'm just going to clean it and use one of the other rooms for brooding instead and leave this one while I'm finishing up all the other things in it. I'm going to wash it though and then redo that floor. Get the plumber to come in to redo all of this. Stay tuned. This day is still long. I've still got quite a few things to do as well. I'm going to finish up here and then probably clean here tonight because then the chickens would have finished laying and then I'll do here tomorrow morning. So that's what I'm going to do. So clean here tonight, do here early tomorrow morning. So as soon as we finish feeding, I'm going to be in here tomorrow morning. So finish it off and then we'll go to the next two rooms. All right. Wish me luck, guys. like it? Finished. I forgot to video the last basic bite. Let's eat one. You can't eat chicken without eating the bone. Fortunately, I have to cut the pipes because it was glued on. So all the pipes in here now, and I probably won't be able to use this anymore because this part is also. So we've got all the drinkers and feeders out. It is now time to wash. Oh, I'm gonna go do this room because that's the first room I'm washing. So I'm going to finish here and then we'll do this side. Wash this side tomorrow. So we've started the process of washing the building. We've got our soap in there. I'm going to start from that corner. I think this corner, one of the corners anyways, because the room seems to be slanted and it looks like it's that way. So we're going to go that way. The water is running that way, so we're going to go that side. So yeah. All right. After this one, I might just have to leave you guys because it's been such a long day. But yeah. It's now 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. I've been up since 4 a.m. and I've not had a sit down the whole day. So I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna continue with this. Make sure you come back too because I've got more videos coming your way. Bye. Oh, and subscribe, like the video, and share with everyone. I'll see you guys. Bye.